So here's how to hide or disable music information on the always on display of your Samsung Galaxy S23. So as you can see here in the always on display, you can actually see the song I'm listening to. And if I don't want that, or I want to hide that from the always on display, all I need to do is go into settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to lock screen, tap on that, and then tap on always on display. And of course, always on display is enabled. So go to show music information and disable that. And now with that disabled, now when you go to the always on display, you will not see the information of the music I'm playing. This could be music I'm playing via the phone speakers or earphones or whatever method I'm using to play. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.